Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple animation for a dummy rig character using the built-in animation editor in Roblox Studio. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to start learning animation fast. No plugins required. Let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and choose any base plate or existing project. You can animate in any workspace you like. Next, go to the Avatar tab, click Character, and select a rig. I'll use the R15 dummy, which is what most Roblox characters use today. Now open the animation editor. You'll find it under the Avatar tab. Click it, then select your dummy rig. A new animation timeline should appear. Give your animation a name, something like wave. After that, you'll see the keyframe timeline at the bottom. Now comes the fun part, posing your dummy. Click any body part, like the arm or leg, and use the rotation handles to move it. The animation editor will automatically create a keyframe for every change you make. You can hold Shift for smooth rotate angle. To animate, move the timeline cursor a little to the right, then adjust the pose again. Each new pose becomes a new keyframe. You can change timeline unit to frame like this. Click gear icon on the right side, choose frame. Enter frame length number. For example, 120. Try making a simple waving animation. Move to frame 0. Lower the arm. Move to frame 15. Raise the arm. Move to frame 30. Lower the arm again. Press the play button to preview. If you want the movement smoother, select the keyframes, right-click, and use easing styles to adjust how the motion flows. When you're happy with your animation, click Export, sign in if needed, and publish it to Roblox. You'll get an animation ID that you can use in scripts or tools later. Next, add script to dummy rig character. Remove default line, and paste this script into it. You can find this script under the video description. Replace animation ID with your wave animation ID. And that's it. You just made your first animation in Roblox Studio without installing anything extra. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Roblox dev tutorials, and let me know in the comments what animation you want to make next. Thanks for watching.